Here I'm using eyebrow pencil from Miniso. Let me know in the comment section below if you want an in-depth video on how I do my brows. So this step is a game changer for me. I'm using Wet n Wild concealer to carve out my brows and erase the mistakes if I have made any. Now I'm using this single eyeshadow from Makeup Obsession and I am stamping this shade with a dense brush for that maximum pigment. I'm just focusing on building the shade and the shape I desire. Once I'm happy with the shape, then I will move to the blending part. Now to blend this dark shade, I am blending it from the edges only. I'm not disturbing the whole thing so that I don't lose the pigment while blending. I'm placing the same shade in the inner corner of my eye. Again, I'm first stamping the shade and then I will blend it. Now I'm using this broken eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. Again, I am first building the shade. Once I'm happy with the intensity, then I will blend it. Now with the help of a liner brush, I am connecting both the ends. Now it looks more put together and seamless after blending. Now using this golden shade from Makeup Obsession, I am popping this shade right at the center of my eyelids for that 3D look. Now I'm taking this clean brush and I'm making sure that everything is blended and seamless. There is absolutely no product on this brush. With the help of a fluffier brush, I'm smoking out the edges. Now I'm using Plum Kajal. This is one of the best kajals I've ever tried. For the wing, I'm using NYX liquid liner. I'm taking one pump of PAC HD foundation on the back of my hand and with the help of a smaller brush, I'm taking up the product. Recently I've started using smaller brushes for my face and trust me, I love it because now I have better control. Earlier I used to get foundation on my hairline too, but now it's not the case. For concealer, I'm using PAC Takeover Concealer. You can see I'm not sweeping the brush, I am just tapping the product into my skin. I have darkness around my mouth, so I am concealing that too. Today I'm doing my blush and bronzing using this LA Girl Blush palette. I'm applying this blush shade on my forehead, nose and chin so it looks more natural. I'm smoking out my lower lash line using this blue shade. And I'm also lining my waterline using Lakme Iconic Kajal. Taking banana shade from PAC Baking Powder Set and setting my under eyes and then using the translucent shade, I'm carving out my cheeks. I'm using the same golden shade by Makeup Obsession for my highlight today on the high points of my face. I'm setting my face with rose water. This will just set the powder in place and will give that beautiful glow to the skin. Now I'm dabbing the sponge to make sure everything is blended nicely and there is no excess product on my face. I'm lining my lips using Maybelline's lip liner in the shade Magnetic Mauve. Now I'm going to mix 10,000 shades to get the perfect lip shade that will go with the look. So yeah, this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section how you like it. Just